Yourself and grow here. Today's episode will be about garbage disposal removal. And the reason for this video is that it's a couple days after Christmas and got done doing some dishes. This one is clogging and making me some noise. This one's clogging as well. So let's get this video started. Alright, this is your standard garbage disposal. It's half horse with a 2-year warranty. I don't know if you can see that okay. But we're getting some noise, and I think it's in here. So all you're going to do is twist these retention clips. You don't got to worry about these, because you got, almost dropped it, because you got this. Alright, I'll be back after I take it apart. And this is how it's done. What you want to do is you want to loosen this up, but you want to be very careful because it can break very easily. Now you got a washer or a gasket right here to make sure it's watertight. Now you want to start with this up here. Reason why I started with this is to take pressure off this when it comes loose. So let's get started. You just want to test it. Now remember, it's going to be heavy. Rotate it clockwise and pull this out just like that. Now the main purpose of this is to find out what that noise is. Now inside your garbage disposal is very, very disgusting. It can smell, has bacteria, so after you get done doing a job like this, you make sure you wash your hands. I can't get that clip off. Let's get a pair of pliers. Okay, let's try it without it. There we go. Well, I don't see much in there for stuff. As you can see, oop, there's the camera. Not very much stuff in there. No leftover food. Oh, but I do see a rock. Why there's a rock in here, I have no idea. And there is the problem. Oh, that's food. Alrighty. Now we're going to reassemble it and reinstall it. Our last thing we took off, put it back on. See that? Just like that. So now, what we do is we just lift it up. Remember, it's going to be heavy. Insert that in first. And since we moved it, spin it back around. Lift it up. Now we did clockwise to loosen it. So let's do counterclockwise. Why are you giving me grief? Oh, there it goes. Ah, there you go. Now make sure it's nice and tight. Nice and tight. Remember this? Look at the clip. Push it down. Now you don't want to do too tight, because you'll break it. There we go. Now let's see if that fixed the problem. Any leaking? It is not. Did it fix the problem? No. It did. Remember, if you like this video, like it, and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.